GreenWood Family Park is a theme park located in Felinheli, Wales, and with it being home to many fun rides and attractions, there is no wonder it is so popular. However, today we're going to count down the top 5 rides at GreenWood Family Park. Starting off at number 5, we have TreeTop Towers. And no matter whether you want to explore around lots of Wales' most stunning nature like you have never done before, or you are just looking for another playground, then this is just for you. The only thing is, however, it is not all easy exploring, as along your way around the many trees and scenery, not only will you be able to walk across netted walkways, slide down giant slides and climb up towers, but you will be doing all of this in the very, very high sky, creating an unforgettable experience that I would feel wrong not putting on our top 5 list. It is time to set sail, as for our number 4 spot we have Enchanted River Ride. And trust me when I say, in my entire lifetime, I don't think I've ever seen a ride quite like this one here. And I think the moment you see it, it is very easy to see why. Yet if you do choose to jump aboard, you'll definitely not be disappointed with throughout your Enchanted River Ride, you and the rest of your group paddling yourself around some beautiful scenery. And yes, you did hear me right there, guys. By using the paddle provided, you will need to bring yourself around the track. But do not fear, as if you can't paddle, there is a rope available for you. Here we are at the top 3 rides at the park. And for our number 3 spot, we have Great Green Run, the park's giant slide. And for anyone who has not done one of these before, well then you are in for a treat, as not only will you be able to climb aboard a tray and race down a very bumpy slide at crazy speeds, but you will be racing against 7 other people. How awesome, but also a little bit competitive does that sound? The question is though, would you become the Great Green Run champion, or would you rather take a more leisurely slide to the bottom? Are you heading to GreenWood Family Park on a hot Welsh day? Well, if the answer is yes, then look no further, as for our number 2 spot, we have Solar Splash, where, as you can probably guess by the name, you will get very, very wet. However, it does not stop there, as in addition to getting drenched non-stop and the entire ride being powered by solar panels, you will get the choice of 2 experiences, one of which, similar to Great Green Run, will race you down a very bumpy slide against one other group, and the other through a dark tube, creating a ride experience that a trip to GreenWood Family Park would be nowhere near complete without a slide on. We have made it to our number 1 spot, and in my eyes for the best ride at the park, we have got no other than Green Dragon Roller Coaster. And where do I begin when talking about this ride? As if I was going to talk about every great part, we would literally drag on and drag on and drag on all day. Yet to start from the beginning, from the moment you walk into the park and see this world famous and very unique coaster, you'll instantly want to take a ride. And you should definitely do just that, as words literally cannot describe how unique, smooth and fun its many twists, turns, drops, and of course lift at the beginning really is. And so I think it is very easy to see why this is our number one spot. Thank you all for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.